Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or hide the billing address from your Shopify checkout. This is perfect if you're selling digital products, offering local pickup, or just want to make the checkout process quicker and easier for your customers. Let's get right into it. First, open your Shopify admin and go down to the bottom left corner, then click on Settings. From there, select Checkout and Accounts from the menu. This is where you can control all your checkout-related preferences. Next, scroll down until you see the section called Form Options, or in some cases, it might be labeled Customer Contact Method or Address Collection. The exact name can vary depending on your theme or checkout setup. Once you find it, look for the Billing Address section. You'll see an option that says, Use the shipping address as the billing address by default. Turn that option on. What this does is automatically fill in the billing address using the customer's shipping address. So the separate billing fields will stay hidden unless they choose to enter a different one, if your settings allow it. Also, uncheck the option that says Require billing address to match the payment method. This will simplify the process even more and reduce unnecessary steps for your customers. Now, if you're on Shopify Plus and want complete control, you can go one step further and remove the billing address fields entirely. To do that, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Edit Code, open the checkout.liquid file, and comment out, or hide the section of code related to the billing address. You can also do this using Shopify's checkout extensibility tools for a more flexible setup. Once you've made your edits, make sure to save your changes. Finally, click Save again in your settings, and preview your checkout. You'll see that the billing address step is either hidden or automatically filled in, depending on which method you used, and that's it. Your checkout is now cleaner, faster, and easier for customers to complete. This little change can help reduce friction at checkout and improve conversion rates, especially for digital or local products. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks, and leave a comment if there's another feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.